Hey everyone, just want to reach out to you guys. We are soon coming to the end of our endurance series, as you know, and we've been talking about enduring in lots of areas of our life. Last week, talking about enduring in adversity, and we've been talking about enduring in our identity and in marriage in all different ways. And one area we skipped over was talking about enduring in parenting. In the book of Hebrews, it actually says in verse 20, when it talks about Abraham, then it talks about Isaac and Rebekah and how Isaac passed a blessing on to his children. And it just reminds us that we need to endure in all these areas, but we need to endure in parenting, that our children are so valuable, so precious to us, and we have to keep making sure that we endure in loving them, shepherding them well, teaching them about God's word. And it's difficult sometimes to endure.
Especially during this sheltering at home time, this quarantine. I don't know about your family, but for us, it has been a very challenging time. It's been challenging for our marriage, for our children's sibling relationships, for our parent-child relationships. It has not been easy. But we realize that just like we are bombarded with fears, that all these things we're hearing in the media and from other people, our kids are affected by those fears too. And we need to really make the effort to create a safe space where they can, when they're at home, they feel at peace. They feel that they're able to trust in God. They're able to trust us, and they feel safe and protected. And so we have to be careful as parents what we talk about in front of them and how we communicate what's happening in the world to them. We want to be careful so that they feel safe. Not that we hide the truth, but we have to just really have a heart of surrender. We need that peace from God ourselves so that we can funnel it down to our kids. We want to create a culture of peace within our homes. And I know that's not easy. Kids can really, get into being frustrated with each other and all kinds of emotions at home and just pent up energy and all that. But if we really seek God and we say, God, show us how to create a culture of peace within our homes, He will show us, and He'll change us first so that we can lead our children in that. That's part of passing the blessing on, is creating a culture of peace in our homes.
And how do we do that? Well, one way we can do that is by being encouraged by others. Again, Hebrews 11 and 12, it's all about running the race, but it's also about other people around us and not doing this by ourselves. So on this Thursday, we're going to be starting a new Connect group for parents, hosted by Angel and Susanna Sotomayor. They have 5 children, and they're continuing to learn and grow as parents. And we want to invite you as a parent to join this Connect group. It's going to be from 8:30 to 9:30. It's going to be a little later so kids can get put to bed and or get settled at least. And so hopefully you can join the Zoom call that we're going to have. You don't have to drive anywhere. You don't have to drive home. It's really easy. And it can be just a place too to just be able to hear what other parents are going through and learn some wisdom on how to grow as parents. Again, remember, if we're going to endure, if we're going to pass this blessing on, we want to get as many resources and as much encouragement as possible because our children mean so much. So we want to encourage you, be a part of this Connect group starting this Thursday. Even if you miss the first week or the second week, you can jump in anytime. Love for you to be a part of it. Thank you, church, so much. We love you guys.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you guys.